2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Buondì.
Buongiorno.
Usciamo. Ecco quello che è stato il rifugio per la notte. Una grotta di calcare in mezzo al nulla. Di lì si va per Cala Golorizia.
Each day I take a drag from last night's cigarette that smoldered in its tray. Down a little something, then be on my way. I traveled far and wide and lay this head in many ports. I was guided by a compass, I saw beauty to the north. I drew the tales of many lives and wore the faces of my own. I had these memories all around me so I wouldn't be alone.
Io non ho mangiato niente.
No.
Sometimes I was so messed up and didn't have a clue. I ain't winning no.
E si parte in direzione Ispulici Denie.
Ma prima passeremo dal nuraghe Orgoduri, dall'antico Orgia più duro.
Your name written here in a rose tattoo. This one's for the mighty sea, mischief, golden piracy. This one's for the man that raised me, taught me sacrifice and bravery. This one's for our favorite game, black and gold, we wave the flag. This one's for my family name, with pride I'll wear it to the grave. Some may be from showing up, others are from growing up. Sometimes I was so messed up and didn't have a clue. I ain't winning no one over, I'll wear it just for you. I got your name written here in a rose tattoo. In a rose tattoo, in a rose tattoo. I got your name written here in a rose tattoo. In a rose tattoo, in a rose tattoo. I got your name written here in a rose tattoo. Feel these words in blood. I heard them one song in a song. It played again and we sang along. You'll always be here with me, even if you're gone. You'll always have my love. Our memory will live